Well, rough start to the work week. That's what we're dealing with, unfortunately, throughout the UP. When it comes to snowfall, mostly towards the west, we can see those amounts really top up to 6 inches. Over towards the east, where temperatures will be hovering right around 32 degrees, the main problem and danger will be accumulating ice, where we could get up to 1/5 of an inch of ice, and even some isolated remote areas could even top out at 1/4 of an inch of ice. So really be careful when traveling tonight and throughout the day on Tuesday. It really won't be until Tuesday night where we begin to finally taper things off, and it's going to be a transition from west to east as those advisories will take that place. So here, when it comes to those winter weather advisories all throughout the UP, now the moment of expiration will be around noon over towards Ontonagon, Houghton, and Keweenaw counties, and then around 6 o'clock over towards Baraga, Marquette, Iron, and Dickinson County, and then over towards the east, over towards Alger and Delta and Schoolcraft counties. They will actually expire midnight Tuesday night going into early Wednesday. So it's going to be a gradual transition as we begin to say goodbye to the snow and the freezing rain, but really just be careful when traveling over the next couple of hours. We're also going to add the wind as well, which will unfortunately cause some problems when it comes to visibility, especially when the snow is falling. So it's quite a mess here throughout the entire Midwest. We deal with rain over towards parts of Detroit and even to parts of northern lower Michigan. Over towards the east of Marquette, it's snow for now, transitioning into freezing rain, and then west to Marquette, it's just dealing with some heavier batches of snow. So it's just a nasty President's Day here, especially throughout our viewing area. For tomorrow, this low pressure will make its way out of Iowa, where it is today, only into parts of southern Wisconsin. Then it will eventually begin to gain a little bit more speed, and that's what's eventually going to allow it to finally blast off by the time we head into Wednesday. But for us tomorrow night, that's when really we begin to say goodbye to the storm. But for the next 24 hours, we really got to sink it for the long haul. And really, if you're going to be traveling, it's all about just slowing